This 2025 CrossRoads Sunset Trail, Super Lite SS331BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 37 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 11, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, awning, skylight, LP detector, refrigerator, oven, microwave, stovetop burner, air conditioning, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 CrossRoads Sunset Trail Super Lite SS331BH is 7,794 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.